Alright, so in this lesson we are going to solve a system of linear equations, a linear inequality. So we're going to solve a system of linear inequalities. We're going to do it by graphing again. This time we will sometimes need to convert. So y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. So 0, negative 2 right here. 0, negative 2. Oh, let's make that green. 0, negative 2. And then this is negative 1 over 1. So we go down 1, right 1. So we keep going like this. I'm not going to draw all of them because it kind of gets squished. So I'm going to imagine some of them. This one can go backwards for sure. Okay, so y is equal to, so this will be a solid line. Cool. And y, well, the person is on top of the ramp, and it can be less than, well, let me draw their legs a little better than that. Okay, so y is less than or equal to, so it's down here. And it keeps going, of course, right? And then let's do red. So 0, positive 2. So plus 2. Oh, I don't know why I did it there. And then we go negative 5 over 1. So down 5, right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 1. And it keeps going, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And this is also a solid line. Okay. And this time we're going to shade, well, let's put our person on the ramp. And it's greater than, so it will be this way. So since these are going this way, I guess I'll just do it like this. Either way, we can see that it's down here that they're going to intersect, right? Down here in this area. Right here. So we didn't need the conversion space. Let's go ahead and find some solutions. So this would be like 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 falls in there. 2, negative 5 was there. Let's get a little more room. 3, negative 6, negative 7. Oops, 2, negative 5. That could look a little nicer. Okay, and then we said 3, negative 7. And I don't know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that was 3, 7 right here. So 4, negative 8. All right, I like 2, negative 5. I don't know why. So let's do this first one. First inequality. Y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. We'll use this x and this y. So this x is 2. This y is negative 5. So we get negative, don't forget the negative. And then minus 2. So we get negative 2 minus 2. And then, so negative 5 should be less than or equal to negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. And negative 5 is in fact less than negative 4. Now remember, it has to work in both though. So let's try this one. That one was red. So y is less than, greater than, or equal to negative 5x plus 2. We chose 2 for x, and that goes with negative 5. So negative 5 should be greater than or equal to negative 5 times 2 plus 2. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. All right, and negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. Hold on. There we go. Now I can make that a tiny bit better. Negative 5 is greater than or equal to negative 8, which is also true. Remember, this solution should work for both. This is not like a solution non-solution type of thing. We're proving that these points work for like one, that we can get here work for both of these. Let's go ahead and do one more. Now, I went ahead and changed this one from what it originally said, like on your paper. So I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to do this one right here. Oop, I do a tiny bit. Oh man, I did it all in one. I'll leave it there. Okay. So let's do the first one. So let's see. Y is greater than, okay, so 0, 2 again. We go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 3. And this is a dashed line because these points aren't really here. Remember that. These aren't really here. And y is greater. So the person is on top. Y is greater. So these are where my solutions are. And we're going to have to convert this one right here. The 2x minus 5y minus... Oh, I forgot to put this little sign here. Okay, cool. So... Actually, I forgot. I need to go back. One moment. Less than or equal to. And so this one should say less than or equal to negative 15. Okay. So minus 2x minus 2x. I get negative 5y is less than or equal to negative 2x minus 15. And then I'm going to divide by negative 5. Now here's the thing. Right here, remember, I have to flip because I divided by a negative. So I get y is less than or equal to a negative over negative is a positive. And a negative over negative is a positive. So plus 3. Oops, you know what I caught? I said to flip this sign right here, right? But I never flipped it. So I didn't flip it. So I'm going to go back and change this. It should say y is greater than or equal to negative over negative is a positive. Negative over negative is a positive. Okay, so this one should work. Plus 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 over 5, 2 over 5, 2 over 5. It's equal to, so it's a solid line. And it's greater than the person is right here. So greater would be in this area. So some solutions would be like 0, 10. A negative 3, 7. Oh, that's right there. Negative 3, 7. And like negative 10, 10. Or negative, we'll just do, they crisscross right here, right? So negative 10, 0. Or negative 10, 1, we'll say. And I don't know, let's just choose this one, negative 3, 7. So green was this one, and pink will be this one. I can do a little better. Maybe. Good enough. So green is y is greater than 4/3 x plus 2. We're going to put in negative 3 right here. Plus 2. Oh, I forgot that part's green. So plus 2, then I can put this. Man, I'm such a messing up. That y was supposed to be 7. That's why I kept the blue on. So the 7 should be greater than 4/3. So positive times the negative is a negative. 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 3 is 4. That was handy. Sometimes you'll get decimal here. Don't worry. Like if you do, it's still going to work. So you get 7 should be greater than negative 4 plus 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. And 7 is in fact greater than negative 2. Okay, let's do the next one. So we care about the original, so because we could have messed up along the way in our conversion, which I almost did actually. So the x will be negative 3, and the y can be 7, or is 7. So 2 times negative 3, and then negative 3 looks a little wonky. And then the y was 7. And then I get 2 times negative 3 minus 5 times 7 should be less than or equal to negative 15. I can't even do that. Okay, negative 15. Okay. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And negative times a positive is a negative, so I will write minus 35. Less than or equal to negative 15. And negative 6 minus 35 is negative 41, which is in fact less than negative 15. Like it's the bigger negative, it has a larger negative value. So that's correct. All right, thank you.